Hi, my name is Patti Fairchild, and I am the founder of the LA Auto Draft. Our first event was today. We had 140 students registered. We had 42 cars on display, and we had a bunch of employers coming and checking out the work. We're going to give trophies away starting at 2 o'clock, $1,000 a piece. And I am so excited that this event went so much better than I expected. I'm so grateful to all the people who could come here today and celebrate with us, and hopefully everybody is all excited to enter their project for next year.
Hello, my name is Zeus Rubio, and currently an auto technology student. Today, I have a little presentation. This is Zeus's Zen Zone, where this will be a factory where I get to implement sand to create cushion for your bed, car seat, steering wheel, whatever you need for comfort and vibration resistance. Now, because sand is a granular material, that allows fine meshing, creating a one-size-fits-all feel. So that means you don't have to worry about buying 10 pairs of shoes, where you can have one pair of shoes for any occasion. And this will be a factory where anyone can say, yes, I want to build that, or I'll build this. Because if I just have a glove, now I'm limited to one audience. So come on by, check out Zeus's Zen Zone, and I'll see you soon.
Tape it off.
Hello, my name is Marissa with AGC Collision Center. I'm here to recruit amazing up-and-coming students for potential careers in the auto body collision industry.
Appreciate that. If you guys have a ticket and want to have seconds on lunch, we do have a few boxes left. If you are still hungry, have a ticket. You can go to the table and grab the last remaining boxes. If not, we're going to donate them out. Thank you.
And this wife looked at her.
Like I could talk to you this tone, or you're talking to me.